Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Skool community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you pin a Skool community post to the top? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to pin a post to the top of your Skool feed anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business with a Skool community, you know that some of the posts are going to be better at conversions than others. So maybe you want to go ahead and post it to the top. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Skool community dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already logged into my Skool community, and this is the community home screen right here. Now, if you want to pin a post to the top, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you find the post that you want to pin. So for example, this one right here, poll about spicy food. You're going to click on the post itself. Once you do that, you're going to see these three dots here at the top. Click on there. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click on this one, pin to feed. Don't click on this one, pin to course page, because that's going to put this post inside of one of your courses. So I'm going to click here, pin to feed. Okay, you should see this pop up pinned. Now, if we close this out and we go back to our feed, you can see that that post is now pinned to the top. So no matter who's going to be posting, whether it's me or other people, or how many posts come out, this is always going to be pinned to the top until I come back in here and remove it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to pin a post to your community in Skool, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.